every professor knew my strengths, knew my weakness.
Hi Shruthi Shivaram, congratulations on scoring AI at 47 at inter-CA level. It's an incredible achievement at that stage of your life, and we are glad to invite you to be part of this podcast, The Rankers of Ednovate. Shruthi, just tell me about your journey as to what motivated or goaded you to do CA.
I took up the commerce field at 9th grade. So I've always been fascinated with accounts and finance and the subjects as such.
Could you just tell me about those 3 golden rules?
Yeah, so I think it's like practice, determination and focus. So the more you practice, the more you get to know that what are my weak spots, what are my strengths. So you have to be determined to achieve your goal, that you don't need to lose focus. And focus is, you have to be focused on your goal.
So how you kind of concentrated on that focused part and ensured that all these things are not kind of diluting your main aim to clear your inter-CA exam?
You need to prioritize that I need to do this, that this is what I want, that I want to become a CA, I want to pass in this attempt.
What was the importance of manifestation? Explain something about that to us. Like, what do you feel? I mean, how do you used to do all those things and come out of those negative thoughts?
Yes, I think manifestation, what I meant was so I used to, I had a study table and there was a board. So I wrote there, I will pass in November 23 attempt. There's one more thing, it's a little off topic, but I would like to stress that please give both groups.
So what do you think actually helped you in scoring a rank about
I think the personal touch, every professor knew my strengths, knew my weakness. He knew what I need to improve on, and he used to advise me regarding that. And the study material is extremely comprehensive. It has everything: past year papers, RTP, MTP. So I started out with direct tax, and I wrote it in the section B booklet.
Oh.
So I written good 2-3 questions. एक पूरा वो पहला 14 mark का question मैंने उसमें लिख दिया, and it started, and then between our invigilator clarified, and she was like, you can't do this, you have to. So I had to cut the entire thing and I had to rewrite it in the section A booklet. I was literally, I'm not being dramatic, but I was on the verge of tears. I was like, Abhi, I don't know, because tax में time is very important. Because 3 घंटे ही है. So in the beginning we used to be like, oh no, and everything, but I think post the result, I'm like, oh my god, thank God I did that. All of that writing practice really, it all was really helpful for me. And the test series also, which Ednovate conducted, and it was really great.
How you felt about being with Ednovate, other than the studies which is spoke about, the other activities
So it's there's been a lot of fun activities. There's we had our Edno Fest, and there's Edno Ras and everything. So that's also been really great.
So one advice which you want to give to CA students, like aspiring CA students?
I think I would say that obviously the 3 golden rules as I mentioned, and I think you should just know you should be clear in your objective, that what you want to pass in this attempt. Be very clear about that, and I think don't let everything get too much into your head,